What's goody team? Hope everyone is having a great day so far. Just updating my game real quick for the beta. Alright, so as always, we're gonna go down the list one by one, see which ones have done STP already, see which ones have done ADR, and we'll see what pairs we could catch, right? So right now for AUD USD, we're still at the top of the 30-minute highs. We're pretty much still in this little zone of consolidation. When we're looking at market structure, again, uh, we pretty much still don't have a change of character break of structure just yet. We're still trading between the previous higher high and higher low, and price is just moving sideways. There's no trend here, right? We can clearly see that, right? And again, someone tell me if I'm wrong, but we have no trend. Price is just moving sideways. There's no change of character. There's no break, right? So right now for AU, we're just gonna take a step back. Even though we haven't hit STP, even though we haven't hit ADR, this is the area in the market where price is rejecting lows and rejecting highs, right? So AU, I'm going to turn this off. Once we start trending, I'll start taking that trade once again. For AUD CAD, pretty much same thing. Pretty much the exact same thing. Again, AUD CAD is a pair that we want to see price start giving us this downtrend move. We're still trading between our previous higher highs and higher lows. Still haven't really gotten a change of character or break, but we could go down to the 5-minute, the 1-minute. We could go ahead and check some things out. Right, on the 5-minute, we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then price gave us a equal low, and then price gave us another higher high, and we're still trading between these highs and these lows down here. So ACAD, not going to be trading it until we start getting, once again, that change of character and break of structure. So we're going to turn that off. EA already hit STP for the day, so we could turn this one off. We're still making lower low, lower high, lower lows. So once we start uptrending on EA, that's when I'll start looking to take those trades once again. ECAD is just still at these highs, just faking out traders high, low, high, low, high, low, just doing crazy moves. We had 2 days of rise though, gave us that 3rd day push, which was beautiful. As soon as the market opened, gave us that 3rd day push. Hasn't even given us a pullback, just continued that push to the top side. So ECAD will be patient with it. EU is just moving sideways. There's nothing to trade here. Just sideways movement for the last 4 days, right? So EU, we're going to turn that off. I already know I'm not going to be trading that. GA, we're still trading lower low, lower high, lower low. So I want to be careful with GA. On top of that, we're also in peak high with GA. So I'm not trading GA right now. GCAD. Still trading on the full hour highs, trading on the daily highs, trading on the 30-minute highs. Price isn't really trending. Gave us a lower low change of character. So GCAD is another one for me that I am not trading for now. Gonna give it a little bit for price to do what it has to do, and then we'll come back to it. Great rising, Mr. Albert. Hope you're doing well, my brother. For GJ, ADR is already hit, so gonna turn that off. For GU, price is doing pretty similarly to what EU is doing, just kind of moving sideways in these areas. And we know that we're trading between our previous lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. So gonna be careful with GU. I'm not gonna be trading it for now. Gonna wait it out. As soon as we start trending, as soon as we start making higher highs and higher lows once again, that's when I'll start trading. NZD USD gave us 3 days of rise, counter trend. We were still trading between our previous lower low and lower high, right? And then price gave us a change of character higher high, reaching our point of interest. So hopefully by, well, it's already Thursday, so we'll see by Friday what price wants to do at these highs. If it gives us a rejection of these highs and we start trending back down, then perfect. We know we could take those trades from the 800 EMA back down to the bottom. So NZD USD is going to be a pair on my watch list for tonight going into tomorrow. US 30 and peak high just giving us that sideways movement. USD CAD moving sideways as well, so I'm not going to be trading that. USD ZAR is still moving counter trend, still making lower lows and lower highs. As soon as we start trending back to the top side, that's when I'll start looking to take these trades for now, there's nothing here for me. Gold is in peak high territory, so I'm not going to be trading gold. Bitcoin, as you guys can see, there's really nothing left on the table for us today. So, Bitcoin very similar to US 30. I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. And then US oil already gave us STP for the day as well. So, nothing on my watch list for today, guys. Pretty much, we talked about that last night, that there was a high potential that we weren't going to get any trades today. Just based on how price is moving, right? A lot of our pairs are just in a zone of consolidation. If they're not consolidating, they're in peak highs or peak lows, and if they're not in peak highs or peak lows, they're just trending, they're counter trending. So not a lot to keep an eye on for today, guys. I'm not going to be trading for today. Any questions, let me know. Any other pairs you guys want me to go over, anything you guys want me to talk about, let me know. But I literally just wanted to turn the stream on today just to, again, just make sure that you guys are good. Show you guys, once again, how I attack the charts and what it is that I look for. But when it comes to trading, there's really nothing for me here today, guys. So I'll give you guys a few minutes. Any questions, anything you guys want to go over, anything you guys want to talk about, let me know. If not, then that's pretty much it for me today, guys. What's crazy is I don't know what address is on my license, yo. Um, and nah, bro, you didn't miss anything. I was pretty much just saying that there was no trades for today. But if you guys had any questions about any pairs, to just let me know. But yeah, there's no trades for today. Everything already moved. Everything already hit STP or ADR. Alright guys, seems like you guys don't have any questions. No pairs you guys are looking at? Nothing on your watch list? What pairs were you guys looking at? Any entries you guys took? Anything you guys are keeping an eye on? Let me know. I'll give you guys 2 minutes in the chat. I'll be right back. If I come back and there's no questions in the chat, then I'll be turning the stream off and we'll be back again tonight for the isolation session. Alright, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. We'll be back tonight for the isolation session at 7 p.m. Peace out.